Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how people refer to deleting a Ram 2500. This term commonly describes modifications made to the truck's emissions control system. Many owners consider this to enhance engine performance, improve fuel efficiency, or reduce maintenance related to complex emissions components. It's a significant alteration that impacts several aspects of the vehicle's operation and compliance. The primary components targeted for deletion include the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, which captures soot, and the exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR, system designed to lower nitrogen oxide emissions. Additionally, the selective catalytic reduction, or SCR, system, which utilizes diesel exhaust fluid, is often part of this modification. These systems work together to meet strict environmental standards. The deletion process typically starts with reprogramming the engine's computer, or ECM, to adjust for the removal of emission systems. This is followed by the physical removal of components like the DPF and EGR. Custom exhaust piping then replaces the original emissions equipment. This complex procedure requires specialized tools and software to ensure the truck operates correctly after the modifications. Before considering any deletion, it is critical to understand the significant implications. Modifying emission systems is illegal for road use in many areas and will immediately void your truck's factory warranty. These changes can also lead to increased exhaust noise, stronger odors, and a greater environmental impact. Always consult local regulations and a qualified professional to fully understand the consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.